It is far, far away from the expectation of the students, what the government or government-led universities or colleges are doing.
Don't try to waste your resources. Again, they were dependent on their different vendors.
The IT solution related to the billing is the first thing observed in the telecom sector.
You have made something on your own. That is the design. Okay, so what we are dealing at this moment is with the specification sheet, marketing. The next aspect that is being mentioned into the spec sheet is, into a specification sheet is the kind of careful that they do not sit idle. They have to be involved in that you have to do for accomplishing your targets, for completing your
Our curriculum, our syllabi is totally tuned what does the industry require. That is one thing. Secondly, when we take a raw product, we trim them, we make them capable of the success in the industrial commercial environment.
Public universities, nobody cares, you just go over there in the class, in the lab, But here everything is in a done, better organized manner.
You have to pay here, but still, your future is secured here.
The private universities get a lot, 25,000 rupees maybe per month for in getting an admission in some of the other colleges. But in the government colleges, hardly 5,000 rupees per annum. So that is why some of the infrastructure really lacks in the public university, because of which we are not able to just, some of the universities are not able to compete with the private universities.
This whole concept of private universities is never a philanthropic one. No private university is being set up although it is there in their pamphlet and booklet, but it is money, and money actually is the driving force and profit.
If somebody is delivering a better material, then he need not to propagate much. Automatically the buyer will go to the place where the delivery and the material and the quality is better.
Social transformation is one of the main objectives of higher education, and that cannot be taken care by the private universities because they do not have any social concern, and second, they do not have any space for the merit.